In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a source in NotebookLM. If you've attached a document, link, or PDF to a notebook and it's no longer needed, tidying up your sources helps keep your research focused and your AI responses more accurate. Start by opening your browser and searching for NotebookLM. In the results, click the official Google NotebookLM page. On that page, select Try NotebookLM to launch the app in your browser. This takes you straight into the workspace where your notebooks live. Next, open an existing notebook that already has sources attached. Choosing a notebook with sources ensures you can follow along as we remove one. Inside the notebook view, look to the left sidebar. This is where all of your sources are listed for that specific notebook. Find the source you want to remove, hover over its title in the sidebar, and click the three dots icon next to it. That opens a small context menu for that individual source. This menu is the safest place to make changes because you're acting on the exact item you selected, not the whole notebook. From that menu, click Delete. NotebookLM will immediately prompt you to confirm, which is helpful if you clicked the wrong item or changed your mind. Take a moment here to double check the title you're about to remove, especially if you have multiple sources with similar names. When you're sure, click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. The source disappears from the sidebar, and from this point forward, the notebook's responses won't draw on that source. This cleanup can improve clarity, especially if an outdated or irrelevant file was influencing the summaries or answers you receive. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Scroll through the sidebar carefully to ensure you're selecting the right source. The three dots sit directly beside the source title. If you selected the wrong one, use Cancel in the confirmation dialog to back out safely. If you're organizing several items, repeat the same delete action for each source you want to remove, one at a time. Keep in mind you're removing the source from this notebook's context. You're not changing the original file wherever it lives. If you later decide you still need it, you can add it back to the notebook and continue working without starting from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully removed a source in NotebookLM, keeping your workspace clean and your results focused. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.